Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the sling bag, bum bag from tomtoc, and it has Condura fabric on it. So let's just take it out of the box and see what we are playing with. Let's see what it says on the labels. Condura advanced fabrics designed for living, built to last. Although I've seen in some videos that you see it should be like this actually. That's the Condura, but I think to make it a bit more waterproof maybe, or I'm not sure what was the idea, they've covered it in this, and this will in time would peel and will rub. That doesn't mean the Condura is affected. It's just this material that the paint or whatever is this thing, rubberized thing that they put on top. Otherwise, tomtoc, protect your digital gear, warranty tips, get 2 years warranty, so you can maybe register it, and he has YKK zippers, which is really good. So now let's have a quick look. So we'll start from the back. So this is the shoulder arm. It just says tomtoc in there, and it's it looks quite comfy because it has this. That's one reason I went for this. So that over your shoulder will make a big difference compared to only having this. So this is plastic. Is using it says in here Stealth Warrior. Boom. In UTA Flex. Then you just press it to remove it. Quite nice. I like it. They go like that. What else we have in here? Since 2016 they say. So that's the first pocket. They all have this kind of thing, and they all YYK. Bit narrow this one, I'll say. So in here it's just a space maybe for when you're traveling for your wallet or your passport. You know, you want to have it close to you. And on the inside, so that's the first pocket. It also has this kind of so it's a bit inside. So if it rains, it's a bit annoying because water would accumulate in this area. And if we look in here, there is always a gap. You won't really close it up to the maximum. So yeah, be careful with that side. And then let's see how much it opens up. So it won't open up very much because it's kind of like this bit. Just kind of like 4 fingers. It also has this on sides. I think it would help you dragging it down or holding it. You can even holding it like that. You can put the carabiner in here and attach other things on it, or you can attach it by itself on maybe a backpack or something like that. So said we're going from the back. So that was the pocket on the back. In here you have this kind of pocket, pretty large, and then you have a mesh with 2 other openings, and there's also a kind of like a secret pocket in here in between. I like this red material that they used in here for the zippers. And then this is the main main compartment, which is quite spacious. And then last you have another one in here where you could have your keys, and it has 2 other pockets. I really like the inside material. So now let's just have a look and see how we can actually fill it. This is what I'm planning to take with me on holiday, or at least in this bag, and I'm planning to take this while I'm flying. These are my essentials, so let's put them in and see. So here we have the bag. So you have 2 options for the Steam, you could actually put it, let's see if it fits right in the back in there. No, so you probably have to place it in here, and I would normally put it like that, facing inside, and that will offer you a bit more protection from the front. And then let's see where, oh, just 1 second, almost dropped this. So this, I'll probably place it in here somewhere, like that. We have headphones. I like to access them quick, so I'll put them in the front in one of these pockets. My phone, it needs to be also, you need to have quick access to it, so I'll probably put it in here, or actually in the back, right at the back, like so. This is a flashlight, it will go well in there. A mouse, your wallet could go into one of these pockets, like so. A charging cable, I'll put it in here. Again, you can store more things in between in here, but if you put the Steam deck, the Steam OLED, whatever it's called, it takes a bit of a space. So now we also have a power bank. So I'm kind of running out of space, as you can see. But you can definitely, maybe you could put this in between, like so. Yeah, so this is how it is. So in the front we have the headphones, and you're probably gonna have the keys in there, and something else like travel card. In here you have the console, the gaming console, portable one, from Steam Deck, Steam OLED. Then you have a wallet in there. You can add some more stuff in there. I put a power bank in there. This is a 2000 milliamp power bank. I put like a charging cable in there. You could put more cables, a mouse, a torch, like a headlamp, my charger in here. And then in this other area I have my phone, and it does looks like it's gonna struggle to close, so let's see how it looks like when it's fully closed. Okay, so that's how it looks like a tank, as you can see. But it's not that heavy though. I'm so surprised. So then you put it on over your shoulders. I put this the wrong way, and let's see how it feels. Oh, it's actually quite comfortable. You can even wear it like this, and because of this cushioned shoulder strap, it makes it really easy to wear. Let's see how it is if I put it over. Oh, really comfortable, and this can be actually moved around. So like this bit can be moved around. Yeah, I definitely like it. You could have it in front of you and be always aware of your expensive devices at all times. So yeah, I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.